combination.
Hang in there, buddy.
Come on now. Get up on that log. There.
Hang in there.
Come on up. Stay on. Stay with me.
No, Eric, that's not going to do a damn thing, George. Give him that end. Take it with you, Jeff.
What's that?
Take that end with you. Get on your belly. And get out there.
Come on. Come on and go.
Yeah, get out there and go right in the water and get to him.
It's not over your head.
You're almost going to be able to stand up.
Yeah. That's 4 feet.
Okay, I'm crossing. Nate. Come around me. You know.
Come right across the edge of the ice, just like that, Jeffrey. There you go.
I know, I got you.
Talk to him, Jeffrey. Talk to him.
Come on.
Anchor him.
Grab him. Get a hold of him there. All righty. There you go. There you go. Get that other rope in out of his way.
Same way you came back, Jeff. Same way you came back, Jeff.
Hang on there, buddy.
Hang on a rope. Hang on. I'm going to go to the second call.
He's not going to get out right now.
Jeff, I got the rope. Just
We got blanket. Blanket, yes.
it's okay. Yeah, come on.
Come on, right on, go. We got you, Jeff.
Come on. We got a blanket. Come on. You're all right. We're going to get you up there.
Careful.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. There. Yeah, no. Somebody give me some blankets out of the ambulance.
Right now. John, back him up the hill, would you please?
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Okay. Joey, have him get some blankets out.
No. I heard him from my house, so I came down here after he wouldn't stop barking. Came to see what's going on, and saw him in the middle out there.
Did you see anybody with the dog?
No, not in the past.
Any
20
other
minutes.
footprints? Human
There are
footprints?
some footprints out here, but it looked like a bunch of dog footprints.
Here, partner. Grab the handle. I can get my
my
arm out. I'm tight.
Leave it on if you want it, John, just to get it back up there.
I got a whole armful of snow, Mark.
Oh, do you?
Good. Yeah. You're good. Okay. Do I got clearance? We have to go to this other call?
Yeah, as long as you can get out.
Okay.
Nick, good luck. Hey, Eric, on the way back, tell Jeff to notify dispatch you got the dog.
Where's the other call?
Hey,
Main Street.
Accident?
Oh, geez, yeah, no, fingers missing.
Oh, geez.
Apparently got up from a nap, fingers are gone.
All right. Oh.
Sorry, busting on it.
I was like, yeah. That must be scared, so just don't be jumping around.
Good job, buddy.
Sorry, buddy, huh?
You got here early.
Is their name on that tag?
Smile. Good job.
I had your back, though. I strategically waited up there.
Hold on.
Hey, yeah, anytime.
I love you, brother.
Well, maybe you can do something with that, eh?
Yeah. I'm scared. Put your leg in there.
Yeah, I can run the tag.
Is this sled?
And they get a dog running at large.
They're going to help us, isn't it? We have to carry him.
It'd be worth it at this
you
point.
Yeah.
Get him just like that. Stand him up. I'll take him. I don't know if you're going to try doing that. Who know or not.
Might be able to hand him.
Maybe slide that basket.
Might be able to hand him up to somebody up on the hill there.
Side's empty now. It's okay, Bob. I'll go behind you.
Yeah, hold his back all the way. Careful, John.
Yep. I would, but these boots are slippery. But I got your back, though. Actually, Rich has your back.
That's right.
Come on, baby.
Want these doors shut?
I don't know if you want to videotape. I don't care. You're going to videotape the front corner. Very good. Come on, baby. Stay with me. You're okay.
What's the name of this dog?
I don't know. Where's the closest vet at?
I wonder if it's Shane Cook's old dog. Stays up there in Liza's. Brett.
Kick that heat all the way up. Right there. Should be all the way up.
All the way.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, baby. Stay with me. Come on. Come on.
It's over now.
Getting them warmed up.
Eric,
Yeah.
let Mangus put you on top of the hill.
Huh?
Let Mangus.
Okay. Yeah, Doug, take me to the top.
What's that?
Take me to the top of the hill. Oh yeah, there's plenty of towels. No, stop.
There is no
It's got a good heartbeat yet.
Good. Good.
It's just cold. It's really cold. Okay, let's try to roll him and get this other side going here. If you would.
I think it's
Yep.
just Charlie.
Charlie.
Sure. I think so. I believe it's chain hook stock. I'm not sure.
Hang with me, buddy. Hang with me. You're fine. You're just so fine. Hang with me, buddy. Get my neck up. Towel, the dryer.
Were you down there with him?
Oh, I heard the call, so I went down there.
Oh.
I heard a kid. I figured a kid, you know, something.
I thought I heard a kid too.
Oh, I heard
Well, that's what
water
they.
rescue.
Yeah, I heard water rescue, but that's what you think is a kid, you know.
Or
And,
somebody ice fishing went through the ice.
yeah.
Yeah.
Missed the 4 fingers.
Yeah, I know. Oh well.
They're still there. They're out there.
Not severed, they're just caught. Hey, how you doing? Good. I was getting ready to go to that one. This is, I got done.
Do we have to go in or no?
Jeff went in with Gumby suit.
Where was the lost fingers over here? Down at
Who lost fingers?
I don't know. I was in class.
the guy next to Barton's there in an old house stuck his fingers in the snowblower.
That's not a good thing.
When was that?
About
2 minutes ago.
About 10 minutes ago.
They're there. It's just about real bad.
Hey, there you go. Yeah.
I think this is how long was it in for.
I don't know.
Guy heard him from up on the hill here. Went down there and he was down in the water.
She's blowing heat. Shut that window. Shut the in-between. There you go. Okay, so now with my local law enforcement at. I turn it over to. Damn.
Hey. He fucking moving.
Shivering.
Love this. Yes. Got a blow there. He love that, you know.